Your CNC machine is lying to you. That cutter, it never touches the part at all. You spin up the tool, you hear the scream of steel. Aluminum meets carbide, you know the deal. But that cutting zone hits 900 degrees, hot enough to melt the chips and weld them back. Believe you think metal cuts metal, blade against part, but that's not what's happening. Here's where it gets dark. There's a liquid film between the blade and the cut, a hydrodynamic shield. The tool never makes contact. At 1,000 psi, the fluid wedges in your cutter's riding water, and the cutting still begins. 80% of the heat flies out with the chips. Without that coolant flood, the whole operation slips. Strip the coolant out, watch tool life drop in half. Aluminum welds itself onto the shaft. Built up edge forms, now you're cutting with a long precision. Gone in seconds, thousands, good luck. But that high pressure jet, it shatters the steam wall. Blast the chips away before they bond at all. 90% water, nature's perfect heat sponge. Specific heat capacity.